everyone. Today in this series, I'm going to teach you how to make a scrolling platformer like this, as you can see. So get ready. So now let's get started. So first, what we want to do is go to your sprite and let's name this player. Now let's go to the costumes. Let's delete one of them and let's create a new avatar. So you can choose any avatar. I'm gonna make a square. If you want, I recommend you doing that. So making a square, you can hold shift. The shift on your computer, hold shift, and you can make this perfectly nice a square. It could be about like 29 by 29 or like 33 by 33, any size. But I recommend, let's make this a little bit bigger. So let's make this a little bit bigger. So by like a 36 by 36. This is okay. Now let's just name this player. So, and let's also make the eyes. My bad. You don't need to make eyes, but I think it would be cool for it. So I'm just going to make 2 black circles. So let me copy it and paste it. Let's make it like this. And make it centered in the middle by selecting all. Make it into the middle. So I would recommend something like this. And let's just change the color to what you recommend. So now let's get coding. So when flag clicked, let's broadcast a new message and let's name this. We're going to play game. And then when I receive play game, what we got to do is let's create some variables first. So the first variable is called x, and for the sprite only, y for the sprite only, and let's call something called scroll x for all sprites, scroll y also for all sprites, and the last one that's all for all sprites is level. Let's just untick everything over here so we don't need to see it. So when I receive game, set level to 1. And then let's and over here let's set x set x and set y to 0. And let's just create a new block named restart without with screen refresh. Like, don't tick this one, okay? And for defining it, let's just take these 2 blocks and let's just add it here. Now we can take a forever loop and add in this code. So let's just move this a little bit higher real quick. Alright, so we're taking 2 of these, and this is for the right key, or. So we're doing this if right arrow key pressed, or for the WASD players, D key pressed, D. So let's just add it into here, and let's put it there. So if that happens, we're just going to change x. Let's change x by negative, let's say 8. No, by positive 8, my bad. And duplicate this, make it for the left. So you do left and we add a and change it by negative. Oh, I keep pressing it. My bad. Sorry. Let's save the code because this is really important. Put it by negative. Let's save the code again. So now with this code, we did the we're doing that, right? And let's also add over here at the top. At the top, let's add something. Go to this. So we need these variables. And take two of the minuses, the subtraction. And do what I exactly do. X minus scroll X and Y minus scroll Y and put them in the correct order. X is for the X, go to X, and Y is for this one. And we gotta put it up here. And now, since we did all of this, now let's actually put this in a my block named update without screen refresh. I know, right? So we put it right there. And let's just clean up our blocks real quick so we can do something like this. So now let's see. Awesome. Let's just maybe actually do something with the update. Let's just do it without screen refresh. My bad, sorry. So now it's a little bit more smoother, as you can see. So this is okay for now. So it goes to 0, 0. Awesome. So let's say if I go over here, right? It is negative 192 by y0. Now when I press back, 0, 0. Because since x equals 0 minus x is 0. So let's just check out the, let's how much, this was 1, right? 0. Let's check. 0, 0, 0, and 0. So now this equals 0 minus 0 is 0. So like, it will be like this, alright? So now let's create a new sprite, and we're naming this into the ground. So let's just zoom out a little bit. Let's make it like this. So let's take like a normal. Let's take it like this. We take it like a little bit dark. Let's say like a light dark, like this, sort of like this. Let's actually aim this to 0, 0. So like this, and let me just like that, and let's add some grass. No, my bad. I have to create another one. Now creating another one, we gotta make it like this. And you can do it to what ground you want. Like if you want it to be like a different ground, you can do like this. But I want to make it like a grass area. So something like this. So if you want to do that, you can do that too. Now let's just name this ground. Or let's just name this one. Just name it 1. Alright. So the ground, let's just make it this. When we receive gameplay, play game, I meant, we're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna go here, and we're going to go for this one. Let's actually just make it. Sorry, I made a mistake. For this one, we gonna have to make this a player. We have to make this all. But we can just put it by this. It's okay. So we can just get a minus operator. And let's do it like this. So now we're gonna get a 0 minus 0. Let's make this 0. And since we need this, let's just go to there's actually a trick. So let's just go here. Let's delete it. Sadly, we have to delete it. I'm super sad. Yes, so sad. And now let's remake it back. Let's make it back. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm super, super sorry that this had to happen. I'm so sorry. Change X by A, and let me just duplicate this one. I'm so sorry that this had to happen. Please forgive me. I'm not as good as you think, but I'm trying my best to get a big following, so I'm super sorry. So let me delete this one. Yes. And wait, it said 4, right? This, oh yeah, we have to add that too. So set X to 0. Oh yeah, so let me just make the Y. Set X, set Y. I'm so sorry. So now let's make it like this. And now we go here. We gotta make it like this. So okay, so like this. And as you can see, nothing literally just happens. Nothing happens. But if we add this set scroll X, set scroll X to what do we set it to? X, then something like this would happen. Wait, I can't move right now. Wait, let me just so like this, right? Let me just check something real quick. I think it's change X. Alright, never mind. Sorry. So this is going to be a game right now. In the next video, I'm going to teach you something. I'm going to teach you episode 2 of Scoring Platformer. So I'm so thankful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you stay tuned for the next video. See you, and always remember, scratching. Scratching is nice.